Okay, this guide, we will be talking about how the practical amount been validated from the related customer invoice or vendor invoices or vendor bills or from the human resource expenses. Like for example, project demo 001, you have all this value. Project revenue, let's say 60,000, then you have a project cost of material 61 ringgit, or another one which is the project marketing cost, which is 618. And then in project demo 002, you will have different amount, project revenue of 500, then you will have the project cost of marketing cost 55 ringgit. So where does all this value come from? First of all, it's let's go to our customer invoice. This is where your project revenue will come from. So let's go to the customer invoice. Now we have two invoices. So if we click into it, okay, in the first invoice 0002, actually it will be posting into the project demo 002 with this sales, this particular product of 500. As you can remember, demo 002 have a revenue of 500. So we click open, you know that this product will have this account, chat account, or your GL code, which is 300004, and this is actually set up at your budgetary position of the project revenue. Okay, if let's say you have something else, then the project profitability or the budgetary position will not pick up this revenue if it's posted, right? And then other than this, it should be defaulted from the product setup, and then you must select the analytic account correctly, which is supposed to be project revenue. Okay, and then so once you post it, it will be picked up automatically into your project profitability account. Now then we go to another invoice. So this invoice should be 60,000 of project demo 001. And if we look into it, we know that regardless of whatever product, because your product, you will need to set up the related account, and this account must be set up, in your budgetary position. Now, if you have an incorrect reminder, if you have an incorrect account, it will not be picked up. And also, you must select the correct analytic accounts, alright, which is the project revenue, right? Then for the vendor bills, let's go there, which is your supply invoice. I have one, so click, and you know that okay, this project cost, because it's under vendor bill, which is your supply invoice, is for the cost is for demo 001 project. Now if you click here, you can tell again, if you remember, under the budgetary position, it will have this account, other expenses, and there is also another account. So any other account that you are using, it means that beside 502 004 other expenses and another one, if you select not these two, if you validate this invoice, this supply invoice, even though you may select the correct project cost, material, and the project code, but it will not be picked up. So please remember on this. Then other than that, it will be so this 20 ringgit will be posted there, into your demo 001. Let me show you how to create expenses that will be posted into your project demo 001. So let's do that by clicking create. Then you enter your claims title. Let me set up mine is a T0001 claim. Then you select your product, which will automatically default the related accounts. Then you select your project, and here you must select the correct analytic account, which should be, if I search by cost analytic account. So if let's say this is actually under, this is, don't be confused, this is actually analytic accounts. So over here I select the project cost analytic account for this marketing cost, and I save it. I submit it. Let's say the manager approve it, and the account. So at this moment you have the demo 001 project profitability not yet received because the account not yet posted. So right now if we post the journal entries, right, and wait for a while. Okay, once it posted, we can go into the account entries and check and click into this journal entries. You can see here the project demo 001 is being posted, and this expenses 1 ringgit has been posted as well. So let's go back to our profitabilities and then check and see whether this has been posted there. Okay, let's go back. Go to accounting, go to advisor, go to budget, go to project 001. We know that it's actually posted into the marketing material. So over here, if you can see here, marketing material, if we go there, go to the analytic accounts, right, and then go to the cost revenue, right, and then group by project is easier. And then when you click open, you go to this demo 001, you can find that your T001 has been posted 1 ringgit into this project profitability as a -1, which is the cost. Alright, that's all. Thank you.